it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you have tried unsuccessfully to get someone to give you a foot rub, for me, it's my husband, maybe you should give this Breo foot massager a try. I love that this foot massager comes completely assembled and ready to use. All I had to do was plug it in and go. There's only 4 buttons on this machine, but with these 4 buttons, I can highly customize my foot massage. Of course, there's the power button, and then there's a mode button, which changes the speed of the massage. The strength button adjusts the pressure that is applied to your feet, and the heat button simply turns the heat on and off. The foot massage that I receive from this machine feels incredible. The rolling shiatsu massagers inside the machine really knead away all the soreness and tension in my feet. It is awesome to me that now I can have a foot massage anytime that I want. I find it great for using after I've been wearing high heel shoes for a few hours, but it's also great for getting me going in the morning or for any time during the day when I need a break. Seeing that it is winter time right now, the heat function on this machine is so welcome to me, and it makes me feel so cozy and warms up my feet perfectly. If you want to be like me and stop nagging people to give you a foot massage, well, maybe you should give this Breo foot massager a try. And that's my point of view.